Welcome back to Fair Value Study. I am covering today's US market close, and it was a historic day on Wall Street. Let's get right into the numbers. The S&P 500 advanced 1.46% to close at 7,365. The Nasdaq Composite gained 2.02%, ending at 25,838. Both indexes closed at new all-time record highs today. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 612 points, or 1.24%, finishing at 49,910. So what exactly drove today's massive rally? It really came down to two major catalysts: a breakthrough geopolitical headline and a string of impressive earnings beats in the AI sector. First, the geopolitical front. The White House signaled that it is nearing a memorandum of understanding with Iran to end the current conflict. This single report sent oil prices into a tailspin. West Texas Intermediate crude fell over 10% to $91.54 per barrel, and Brent crude dropped nearly 10% to $99.12. This sharp decline in energy costs provided the relief investors needed to spark a broad-based rally. Now, let's pivot to earnings. AMD was a standout performer, surging nearly 20% after crushing its first quarter expectations. Revenue jumped 38% year over year, fueled by massive demand for AI infrastructure. CEO Lisa Su described this as a clear inflection point in the company's growth trajectory. Super Micro computer also rode that same wave, jumping 15% on stronger than expected numbers. One of the biggest surprises, however, was Corning. Their stock soared 17% following a major partnership with Nvidia to build 3 advanced manufacturing facilities for AI data centers. In the media space, Disney surged 6.6%. The company beat second quarter estimates thanks to robust streaming profits and strong revenue from its parks, reaffirming its double-digit growth guidance for the next 2 years. However, it was not good news for everyone. Shopify shares tanked after the company issued cautious guidance. Despite an earnings beat, their revenue growth forecast for the next quarter showed a sharp deceleration, which spooked investors. On the labor front, the JOLTS report showed job openings falling to 6.86 million, suggesting the labor market is cooling. This gives the Federal Reserve less urgency to adjust rates in the immediate term. The bottom line for today: the potential for peace with Iran is lifting sentiment, oil is pulling back, and AI earnings continue to impress. The market is clearly optimistic, but as always, we know geopolitical developments can shift fast. That is your Fair Value Study market recap for May 6, 2026. If you found this update helpful, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.